See guys, if you ever see this soap anywhere, buy it, okay? Buy it and use it. If you don't want to use it, buy it and send to me. You can never see a product for £1 that will do a job like this, honestly. Never. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your first time seeing my beautiful face. Hi, it's Claire here on this channel, film skincare videos, product reviews, and so on and so forth. So if you are interested in anything like that, please, you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be very quick. Like guys, I want to show you this very amazing product that I picked up. If you're suffering from pimples, you're suffering from acne, you're suffering from dull skin, you just have to stick around to hear what I have to say about this product. If you have a sensitive skin that it's hard to find a face soap to use on your face, every time you use products it irritates your skin, this is it. I'm talking about the K Brothers rice milk soap. Like guys, this thing is very cheap. It's very cheap. It's very cheap for what it does, honestly. I got this bar for £1, like £1. Like, who can beat that? If you're in Africa, please, you ever come across this bar of soap, please get it, okay? Get it. If you don't want to use it, contact me and you send it to me, okay? It is very nice, very cheap. So now this product contains coconut oil, aqua, which is water, sodium hydroxide, fragrance, titanium dioxide, ethylene, diamine, tetraacetic acid, salicylic acid, rice extract, milk extract, butylated hydroquinone, whatever. I've googled all these ingredients. All of them are safe. The most amazing ingredients that I love in this product are salicylic acid, rice extract, and milk extract, which is what actually made me to pick up this product, to spend my £1 on this product, and it's been good. If you don't know, salicylic acid is very good when it comes to pimples, acne, dark scars. It is a super good super duper good exfoliant. Like, it exfoliates your skin, and anything that exfoliates your skin literally glows your skin, because exfoliation is basically shedding off the dead skin cells and giving way for new skin cells to pop up and then revealing your amazing glow, okay? So this thing contains salicylic acid. If you have acne, you have pimples, go get this, okay? Try it. Nobody knows. Cheap doesn't necessarily mean it's not effective. Sometimes some cheap products do way more than what expensive products will do for our skin, and we just ignore those products and we go spend our monies on expensive things that end up not doing anything on our skin, okay? So I decided to share this with you because it's good. And rice, anything that contains rice extract, rice milk, rice whatever, is very good for the skin as well, because rice helps to tighten the skin. Rice milk helps to tighten the skin. Like, you just grinding rice or blending rice, making a mask with it on your skin, tightens your skin, clears wrinkles, fine lines, premature aging, and so on and so forth, okay? So go ahead. And the ingredients also says that it contains, the list of ingredients also says milk extract. I don't know if the milk extract is a rice milk extract or it is normal cow milk or whatever milk, but milk generally contains lactic acid. Cow milk, especially, for I know about that, contains lactic acid that is also good with exfoliation and anti-aging, shedding off dead skin cells, giving you a brighter skin, helps with scars, helps to glow the skin, and so on and so forth. So I picked up this product and I've used it for a week, and it's amazing. Because I'm sensitive, products react on my skin so fast, and I've used it for a week. No new breakouts, no new pimples. Let me tell you the truth, we all suffer from breakouts, okay? We all, there's that time in our lives that we suffer from breakouts. Sometimes you're stressed up, you see breakouts. Sometimes some people are just prone to breakouts. Some people, you can never see their faces without one pimple. So go and get this, because even on what the things that this soap promises to do, it says that it K Brothers rice milk soap, soft, smooth, and radiant skin with the finest rice milk extract, which can help skin soft, smooth, with extremely gentle foam, and reduce bacteria costs of acne, and leave skin radiant without tight feeling. Yes, it reduces the bacteria that causes acne. So it's going to help you control your oils, control your acne, and it is not drying. Like guys, that's all I have to say for this soap. If you've used it in the past, leave a comment below. I'm gonna insert pictures on the screen so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, please don't go without leaving me a sweet comment in the comment section. Give a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Why not share the video with your friends as well, so you can help other people who are suffering from pimples. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.